So question number 21, we already completed in yesterday's class. Thus comes to the question number 22. First understand the question and then we'll see what is that. So they're saying an automobile engine propels a 1000 kg car, 1000 kg car A along a leveled road at a speed of 36 km per hour. So first speed we have to convert into what, guys? Meter per second. So 36 kilometer. Let me take, this is a car A. So first car A. So what is the mass of the car A, everybody? Mass of the car A.
1000 kg.
1000 kg. Very good. Okay, let me take M1 it is. Next, what is the speed of the car, everybody?
36 km per hour.
So let me take the initial velocity of the car, U1, which equals to 36 km per hour. So converting meter per second, what we have to do? We have to multiply with everybody. 5 by 18. So 5 by 18 means we all know that. So 18 ones are 18 twos are. So
10 meter per second.
10 meter per second. Is it okay? Everybody clear? Next, find the power if the opposing frictional force is 100 newtons. Opposing frictional force is equals to how many newtons? All of you? 100 newtons. Then calculate the power they are asking. That is the first question. Okay. First part of that. Next. Second one. Another stationary car B of a same mass. So same mass and comes to rest. Let its engine also stops at the same time. Now car B starts moving on the same level road without getting its engine started. Find the speed of the car B just after the collision. Have you all understand, everybody? It is looks like a conservation of momentum. Have you remember, everybody? Momentum before collision is equals to momentum after collision. Have you understand? Yes, please.
Yes.
All of you? Yes. So now suppose after traveling a distance of 200 meters, this car collides with another stationary car B of same mass and comes to rest. So what is the final velocity of a car A, everybody? Final velocity of a car A, how much it is? And car B, what is the initial velocity of a car B? Initial velocity of a car B, 0. Because it is at initially at what? Initially at what? Rest. And after collision, definitely it will attain the velocity. What is that velocity only they are asking. So shall we start, everybody, now? Everyone, first we have to find power of a car A, and then we'll find the velocity. So this is a very big question and very important question also. So integrating law of conservation of mass with the power concept. So you have to be extra careful, otherwise it is will come. So first I'm going to Word document so that we can solve slowly. So all of you write the given data. Do you all understand the question? So there is a two cars, car A and car B. So what will happen, everybody? Car A is traveling with a 36 km per hour, and it is went and hit the another car B, who is at stationary. Now after collision, car A comes to rest and car B started moving. So they are asking what is the power of the car A, and then afterwards what is the velocity of the car B after collision. Am I right, everybody? Speak, respond, guys. So there is a car A whose mass M1 is equals to how much, everybody? 1000 kg, and initial velocity is equals to 10 meter per second. They have given 36. I converted into what, everybody? Yes, please. 10 meter per second. Now, after 200 meters, there is a car B. So, which is initially at what, everybody? This mass also, M2 is equals to also 1000 kg. Initially, what is the velocity? Everybody?
0.
0. Now, after collision, this is before collision. Before collision. Next, after collision, car A comes to rest. Car A, again still mass. Mass is equals to what? Same 1000 kg. But what is the final velocity? 0. So that the car B started moving. Car B attains the velocity. So here initial velocity is 0. Rest. Okay. Now after that it is started moving with some velocity V. That is what? So M2 is remains same. That is also 1000 kg. So now before that, now they are asking us to find the power of a car A, and then we'll go with that. So all of you observe very carefully. Opposing force. First, let us find the power of the car A. So if you sense that a car is moving with a constant velocity or variable velocity, everybody, it is continuously starting. What velocity it is moving? Same 10 meter per second. Am I right, guys? Please respond. Yeah. And we all knows that you might be studied 8th class or even now also I'm saying you. When the car is moving, remember the frictional forces remains constant. How much it is? They have been said. Car A. How much, guys? How much is the frictional force? All of you. They have given in the question how much, Amma?
100 Newton.
100 newtons. Understand, everybody? So, the power of a car, power of engine of a car is equals to, please remember, we all know power formulas. 3 formulas we have. What is the power formula? Work done by time, energy by time, force into displacement by time, which is also last formula. Force into force into velocity. So now we all know velocity and force. So applied force, that is what is the force. So force, this is what the force applied by the engine. Force applied by the engine because it is moving at a constant velocity, which is equals to frictional force. So which is equals to how much, Ra? 100 newtons. So 100 newtons into, sorry, it is not S, it is a velocity. What is the velocity? F into V. What is the velocity? It is moving with the what velocity, guys? Yes, 10 meter per second. So which is equals to 10 into 100, 1000 Newton meter per second. Newton meter per second something. Newton meter we used to call something. Anybody? Joule. So 1000 joule per second, which is equals to 1000 power unit, guys. Power unit, watt. Prima. So I found the power of the car A. Anyone having any doubt till here you ask me. Understand, Shivani, Nivedan, Mukesh, Kalyan. So power of the car A, I found it. Mari, any doubt? So next they are asking what is the velocity of the car B. So we all knows that conservation of momentum. What is the conservation of momentum formula? Everybody? Conservation of momentum. Momentum before collision is equals to, forgot chapter number 2. Yes. Momentum before collision. Before collision is equals to momentum after collision. So, what is the formula? Anyone? M1 U1 plus M2 U2 is equals to M1 V1 plus M2 V2. Am I right, Amma? All of you? So, initially car B velocity is 0. Finally, car A velocity is 0. Understanding? So, finally, what will happen? M1 U1 is equals to M2 V2. Okay, wow. Ellame understood? Yes. All of you? Yes. So mass you can write it. So what is that, everybody? Mass is equals to 1000 Of course, both side mass is equals to equal. Am I right, Amma? Both the mass, both the cars mass is equal or not? How much kg? How much kg both the sides mass? Car A and car B, what is the mass? Everybody. How much Ra? Car A and car B mass is how much, guys? 1000 kg. So can I get cancel M1 is equals to M2? Both will cancel or not? Yes or no?
Yes.
So U1 is equals to V2. What is the U1 value? U1 value.
10 meter.
Initially car A is moving with what velocity, Ra? Lakshya is asking, sir, why you cancelled because V equals to 0? Girl, initially car B velocity is 0. Car A initial velocity is 10 meter per second. Final velocity is 0. Car B initial velocity is 0. Final velocity is how much? So that now is okay, wow. Understand
Okay, sir.
everybody? Yes, please. So what is the final velocity of a car B? Everybody? Which is equals to initial velocity of a car A. Understand? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So this
Okay.
is by using conservation of momentum. But here, conservation of momentum, you can use, of course, you can get the answer. But this is in motion. As you are studying, motion means there is an energy will come into the play. What is the energy come into the play? Anybody? Yes. So total kinetic energy before collision is equals to total energy, because law of conservation of, here we are not supposed to use law of conservation of momentum. We have to use it what? Law of conservation of, what? Energy. So total energy, kinetic energy, m1 u1 square plus half into m1 m2 u2 square is equals to half into m1 v1 square plus half into m2 v2 square. Kinetic energy before collision is equals to kinetic energy after collision. Substitute the values, half into m1 1000 into u1 10 square plus u2 is 0. So u2 is 0 means this whole term will become what? 0. Same way v1 is 0. So that whole term will become what? 0. Half into m2 value is also 1000 into v2 square. Now, all of you observe, everybody, both the sides, 1000 get cancelled, 2 will get cancelled. So v2 square is equals to 10 square. So both the sides square will get cancelled. What is the v2 value? What is the v2 value, Ra? 10 meter per second. Your choice. I hope you all understand. Anybody having doubt, you can ask me. Clear? Sangamitrai, Alfin, Sol. Clear, Amari? Mr. Sailesh, good morning. Any doubt, anybody can ask. Niroshi, clear?
Yes, sir.
Whatever the approach you can choose. Mr. Lingesh completed, Kishore. We'll proceed, guys.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Next question. Completed everybody this question? Yes?
Yes.
Do it now. Next question you write. Yes. So 23 question. So this is also one of the most important question. You all can see. A girl having a mass of 35 kg sits on a trolley of mass 5 kg. The trolley is given an initial velocity of 4 meters per second by applying a force. The trolley comes to rest after traversing a distance of 60 meters. Actually, traveling a distance of 16 meters. How much work is done on the trolley? How much work is done by the girl they are asking? So two things you have to remember here. So what they are saying, a girl of mass, whose mass is how much, everybody? A girl of mass 35 kg. So first write the given data. So mass of the girl M1. M1 is equals to how much kg, Amma? 35 kg. Sits on a trolley of mass 5 kg. What is the mass of the trolley? M2 is equals to, everybody, 5 kg. Okay. The trolley is given an initial velocity of 4 meters per second. What is the initial velocity, everybody?
4 meters.
Initial velocity. Yes, please. 4 meters per second. The trolley comes to rest after traveling a distance of 16 meters. So what is the final velocity, everybody? Comes to rest. Comes to rest. What is the final velocity?
0.
Speak, guys. 0. Next. What is the distance traveled by the body? What is the distance traveled by the body? Travel. Yeah, traveling you can write. Traveling a distance of how much? 16 meters. Okay. Now they are asking how much work is done on the trolley. Okay. How much work is done by the girl they are asking. So let us see how to find, everybody. So first, if you want to find the work done, then you need to know what is the work done is equals to formula. Anybody tell? Work done is equals to formula. Force into
Displacement.
yes. So force into displacement. Now, if you want to find the force, so we all knows that force is equals to what is the formula? Mass into acceleration. Okay. Now tell me, this acceleration is, it is velocity is decreasing. So acceleration comes negative or positive? Everybody? Negative or positive? All of you?
Negative.
Velocity is decreasing. Acceleration comes negative or positive? It is coming down. Positive or negative? Theriyada? This is very bad. Velocity is decreasing. Negative or positive, guys? Yes, please. All of you? Arey yaar, what is this? Initial velocity is 4 meters per second. Final velocity is 0. So velocity coming down. So negative acceleration or positive acceleration?
Negative.
Negative acceleration. So that is only we can say is deceleration. Now, directly I am saying a girl is sitting inside the trolley. So she is sitting inside the trolley. So with respect to trolley, what is the work done by the girl? Anybody? With respect to the trolley, what is the work done by the girl?
0.
0. Understanding? So that is what. Now, as the girl is inside, now you have to take only mass of the trolley or mass of the girl is also. Anybody? You have to take what is that? Mass of the trolley or mass of the girl also? Everyone. Mass of the trolley plus mass of the girl. Why? Both are inside. Girl is inside the trolley. So that what is the total mass? M1 plus M2, which is equals to how
40
much?
kg.
35 plus 5, which is equals to how much, guys?
40 kg.
40 kg. Understanding? So that's what. So work done is equals to force into displacement. So force is equals to mass into acceleration into displacement. So displacement they have given. Mass is how much? 40 kg. Acceleration theriyadu. Displacement equals to how much? What is the displacement it is traveled?
16 meter.
15 meters. Now let us find acceleration. So acceleration, how to find? Initial velocity knows, final velocity knows, distance you knows. So which equation we can use? Anybody? Which equation? Third equation. V square minus U square is equals to 2AS. 2AS. Final velocity is 0. Initial velocity U square is equals to 2AS. So we all know initial velocity is 4 square. 2 into A into distance is 16. So all of you observe very carefully. Now 4 square, 16 will come this side, which is equals to 2 into A. So what is the acceleration will come? By the time you can say 4 square means 16. So 16 by 16 get cancelled equals to 2 into A. So A equals to how much, Ra? Acceleration equals to minus 1 by 2. Means 0.5 meter per second square. Okay, everybody? Understand all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, that is what. So work done by the trolley is equals to minus 0.5. I will take it 1 by 2 only acceleration. So minus of 40 into 1 by 2 into 16. 2 ones are 2 20s are. So minus 20 into 16. How much is the answer? Anybody? Total work done. 16 twos are 32. So how much answer? 320 joules. So work done by the trolley is 320 joules. What is indicating this minus? Anybody can tell? Minus indicating what? Velocity is decreasing. Velocity is decreasing. That is what is the indicating minus. So anybody having doubt in this question, you can ask. So this is what is the question. Now B part. What is the work done by the girl? Write the answer. The girl is not moving with respect to the trolley. So she remains in a stationary. So that hence, what is the work done, guys? What is the work done, everybody? What is the work done?
0.
Yes. Work done by the girl. Work done by the girl is 0. Now simply seeing not all trying means you will never show progress. Only if you are working, only you can. Okay? Do it, everybody. Abraham and Kavya late, you both. That's the reason I mentioned option. Right. Any doubt, Mr. Jay Krishnan, Darshana, Prithvi, solving a?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir.
Mari, any doubt, Mari? Lingesh?
Sir.
Do it. Mr. Darshan solving a? Harasini?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Alpha completed means let me know you solving or not. I want to know numerical. Understood this question? A girl is sitting inside. Inside means she is
போங்கயா நான்
with respect
படிக்கிறேன்
to trolley.
ஒண்ணு மணி போங்க
Mr. Jayan, focus on class. So if the girl is sitting on the trolley, so what will happen, everybody? The girl is not showing any displacement. If the displacement 0, then what is the work done by the girl? Everybody? If the displacement 0, what is the work done by the girl?
0.
0. Okay. And as the girl is sitting inside the trolley, so what will happen? Both masses together, because they are not supposed to travel individual. If they are sitting, girl is sitting in the trolley. So both mass has to be added. That is the two things you have to remember. Okay, everyone? That's what I'm saying. Questions are not easy. You have to work. Okay, so do it everyone. Any doubt you can ask me, or else we'll proceed further. Clear everybody?
Yes.
Yeah. Completed this question, all of you? Next. Completed this question, everyone? Next.
Yes, sir.
24. Four men lifted a 250 kg box. This is also one of the most important question, which will like creativity question actually it is. So four men lifted 250 kg box to a height of 1 meter. To a height of 1 meter and hold it without rising or lowering it. Okay. How much work is done by the men in lifting the box? Clear? During the lifting, how much work do they do just holding it? So by just holding it, what is the work done? We all knows that work done is equals to what? All of
Zero.
you? 0. Then why do they get tired while holding it? Suppose I ask you to hold 10 kg and ask you to wait for a long period of time. Are you people will feel tired or not? Everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes, because for carrying that, holding that, all our energy will be drained. So that automatically will feel tired. So that's what will happen. So answers you read. First question: what is the work done by the men to lifting the box to the 1 meter height? So what is the work done formula? Everybody, work done is equals to what is the formula?
Yes.
Force into
Force displacement.
displacement is 1 meter. Force is equals to mass into acceleration. So what is the mass? Mass how much? 250. Acceleration is 10 and distance is 1 meter. So which is equals to how much? 250 into 10, 2500. So 2500 joules. What is the work done, everybody? What is the work done, everyone?
2,500 joules.
2500 joules. Any doubt? Anybody can ask me. Next. So they're lifting. Four men is lifting from the ground to the 1 meter. So that they have done 2500 joules. Now holding the load above their head continuously. So what is the work done? Just they are holding. Holding means what is the work done?
Zero.
Yes. So holding that means again same force into displacement. Of course, they are applying the force. Force is there, but displacement will become what?
Zero.
0. So that work done will become 0. Next, why do they get tired while holding it? Why do they get tired? Anybody?
Energy is lost.
For holding it, they are applying some force. What is the force they are applying? Anybody? To holding it, they have to apply some force.
Muscular force.
Muscular force. So they feel tired. That is the reason. Write the answer. Men still apply their muscular force. Answer for third part. Men still apply their muscular force. Men still apply their muscular force. Men still apply their muscular force in holding the box. In holding the box. Hence they feel tired. Hence they feel tired. Men still applying their muscular force in holding the box. Hence they feel tired. Clear, everybody? Mr. Sanjay solving Sailesh, Sam, don't know what you're doing also. Next. Any doubt? Anybody can ask. Clear, everybody? Yes, please.
Yes.
Yeah. Next. What is power? So, what is power, everybody? Work done by what? Power means what? Work done by? Time. That is what we can say is rate of doing work. What is to call?
Stop doing work.
Rate of doing work. So we can say is rate of doing work. Rate of doing work. Next, how do you differentiate kilowatt from kilowatt hour? How do you differentiate kilowatt from kilowatt hour? You all people knows. Kilowatt is a unit of what? Kilowatt is the unit of what?
Commercial unit.
Commercial.
No, kilowatt is the unit of power. Kilowatt hour is the unit of
Energy.
Commercial.
energy. Mari, power is equals to E by T. Understanding? Energy by T. So that is what we can take. Energy is kilowatt, time is equals to hour. Now energy is equals to what? Everybody. So actually, sorry, joules, kilojoule per hour. So that is what we will say is kilowatt. Okay, joule per second we can say. So basically kilowatt is the unit of power. Now unit of energy is equals to what? Power into time. So kilowatt into hour, that is what? Kilowatt hour. So kilowatt hour is the unit of what? Commercial unit of something I have taught you.
Energy.
Commercial unit of what? Energy. So that is the difference. Prema, kilowatt is the unit of power and kilowatt hour is the unit of
Energy. Commercial.
commercial unit of energy. That is you should remember. Okay, everybody? Yes, please.
Sir.
Yeah.
Sir.
Next. The jog falls in Karnataka state are nearly 20-meter high. A jog falls means waterfalls, guys. Like a jog falls 20 meters high. 2000 tons of water falls from it in a minute. How much water? 2000 tons. So 1 ton is equals to how many kilograms? Anybody? 1 ton is equals to 1000.
1,000 kilograms.
So now 2000 tons. 2000 tons means how much, Ra? 2000 into 1000. So let me take it. I will write in the form of powers. So 2002, 2 into 1, 6 zeros. Can I write 10 power 6? 10 power 6 kilogram. Any problem? Okay, wa?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Calculate the equivalent. Calculate the equivalent power if all this energy can be utilized. G value is 10. So they are saying it. Okay. So if it is falling means it is call it as some energy. Anybody can tell? If it is falling means falling freely, falling from certain height. What energy we used to say? Anyone? Are falling from certain height? What energy we used to say? Position.
Gravitational.
Ray above from the ground. It is
Potential energy.
yes. It is 20 meters high. So what energy it is? Potential energy. So power they are asking. So power is equals to energy by time. So energy is equals to what is that? Potential energy by time. So power P is equals to mgh by time. So mgh, what is that, everyone? You can see. So mg mass equals to how much we got? 2 into 10 power 6. G value 10. H is equals to how much? 20. Divided by time 1 minute. 1 minute means how many seconds?
60 seconds.
60.
So substitute it. So 2 into 10 power 6 into G value 10 into again height is equals to 20 divided by 60. So you can get cancel out, everybody. So what will happen? Everyone see that 0 0 get cancelled, 2 1s are 2 3s are. Okay, that's all. Then we can get this one 2 into 10 power 6 plus 1. How much? 10 power 7 divided by 3. So which I will write 2 by 3 means what? Anybody can tell? 2 by 3 means
0.6.
0.6. 2 by 3. 2 by 3 means 0.6. Very good. So 0.6 into 10 power 7. Power means what? Watt. So this decimal, I'll write it like 6 into 10 power 6 watts. So any problem for anybody, you can ask me. So that is the answer. Okay, everybody? Clear, all of you? Yes, please.
Sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Do it neatly. Very, very important. All of you should solve.